Hello and welcome to video number 16 of our series Let's Make an RPG in Unreal Engine, a stylized RPG. In today's video we'll be doing this drawing or illustration. We'll start of course with a sketch just to have a composition, know where we want to put the character and the thirds and whatnot, to have something a little bit interesting going on. And then we will do some colors just to explore which color, like what is the overall mood that I'm trying to make, and then doing the polished version. So all these steps in this video, I hope you guys will enjoy it. If so, leave a like. And as our video comes to an end, this is the result that we've got. I decided to add this text here as a placeholder in order to see what it will look like if it was used as a loading screen illustration, a loading screen illustration. Yeah. We did quite some changes at one point. I had actually, let me just hide. Okay, first, yeah, the sketch, like I showed at the start of the video, there is a sketch to showcase which element that I chose to go for and whatnot. And then I did some rough colors with the sketch you can see here, just to have an idea of the shape overall. Afterwards, I went with the painting itself. This area here, I don't like it quite much. It's a bit rough, but for the purpose of this thing, which will mainly be used on the banner of the YouTube, and also as a reference for the exterior of the environment that I'll be doing a block out in the next video. I hope you're looking forward to it. So, which is fine basically, the way it is. It doesn't look that great, but it works. Then the character as well. So for the character, his arms, they were in a T-pose. I decided to make them a little bit more natural, so I went with this. I also changed the position a little bit. You can see a before and after. This is before, this is after. Also the mood overall, instead of it being very pinkish, I mean red and quite orangey, I decided to go for a more natural tone. At one point it also, yeah, it was like this, so corners were a bit darker here. I decided to also not go for that and clean that up, also made the colors more interesting and nice looking, and cleaned up a lot of stuff. Added this fog effect here. It's not really fog, it's more like the wind pushing sand away. You have that really nice wind going around. If, let's say, I disable and enable that wind, which is here, yeah, you can see that without it, it still doesn't look too bad. However, it's not that great. I think there is another one. Yeah, so wind number one is this one. Without the wind, it looks like this. With the wind, it does this, and then this, which is more nice to the eye. So, this is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If so, leave a like, and until next one, cheers.